Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is TP03. This is the first task when it's in fourth assignment. So we'll talk about desktop environment and window manager. So desktop environment actually the one who provide a complete graphical user interface for a system by bundling to a variety of X client written using a common writing toolkit of a set library. So as you can see, actually the DE or desktop environment is making a graphical user interface, a complete graphical user interface. Like this is my Debian. So this is my desktop environment. Like this is some application and places. And it will be different with the Ubuntu or Mavinja or Kali or some kind of. So maybe I'm gonna show you others. So I think the first one is going to be Cinnamon. Okay, so the Cinnamon is actually a fork of Genome, and Cinnamon itself is actually a very traditional desktop with Linux. And I'm gonna take this is Genome. In Vietnam, actually, this is a very polarizing desktop environment. Actually, polarizing means that's why this is a default. Usually, this is going to be a default desktop for all Linux users because it's like this is easy, comfort, and control. And next is London. London is this is a brand new design of a desktop environment, and the customization will not deep, but this is a very modern libraries or others like application as you can see, and this is the KDE. The KDE is actually this is the beautiful environment. So but actually the KDE is exploit resource, but they provide stability with many feature and many eye candy means it's good to eye, and the functionality is closest to Windows like Windows 7. Yeah, KDE is most close to the Windows than other Linux. Okay, now we go to the Windows Manager. Let's see. So this is the manager. So, if you know that this desktop environment is the graphical interface, and the window manager is a system that moves and resizes windows, among other things. So, this GUI or GUI graphical interface, uh, we can resize or configure it within the window manager. So actually, like Windows, we cannot manage the Windows. Actually, we can only manage the inside of it instead of the Windows itself, the desktop, because it's all integrated in the system. But Linux not. We can change the Windows within the Windows Manager, and there are three types of or three categories in Windows Manager, like stacking. Stacking they allow Windows to draw their content and one on top of another on desktop, starting with one on the bottom and going up in Z order. Like so, stacking like this desktop, and you make a desktop. So it's gonna be overlap. And compositing is provide a buffer for each window to draw on and compose two buffers together, create desktop image. And this type of Windows is allowed to use semi-transparent window now. And the compositing like this is as you can see, this is the desktop. This is a desktop environment, and you can mix it a bit and making something new desktop image. So like as you can see, some transfer windows. So mix this and mix that and everything like that. And after it, tiling. Tiling is the windows don't overlap. So actually, the tiling there's static and dynamic. Well, I can really much tell about this. Yeah. But if you want to know, you can you can go into install get onto and search it for window manager. So I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, and next up is in installment. Well, this is going offline, but here it is. First, you must install it first in this refer 1.4. Well, this is the one that's done, but you can see it from here. Maybe the desktop. No, sorry. Well, first of all, they're going like this, and when you click this term-xzvf refer the file, and you click enter, and this is what will happen. And after that, next is you get into the file, the new file, the new rever. And you get to the source, and then you do the configure. Well, this is the part of the install, and you'll see something about this. See? Well, an error. Of course, this will be an error, but since there are no library, let's get the next step. You should make and should make install. Well, actually, this is and after you. Sorry. Okay, so at this point, before the make install, there are make and configure. Actually, it will be used a dot configure without HTTP hypertext language and rewrite module. That will happen if the library has it here. If the library is in here. So I think that's it. Remember, you need to have a library first, so you get the dot configure without HTTP rewrite module, then make and then make install. Okay, I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, hey, sorry, I forgot. The online, or so the online is in the screen fetch. The install online is on the screen fetch. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet me again, TP03. So at this time, I'm going to tell you about the second task, repository in fault assignment. So, repository in Linux means generally are bundles of package software within OS Linux that can boost the processor of application. So, as you can see, the repository is means the bundles of package, but the bundles of package from the other distro like Ubuntu, Debian, and Mojave, they have their own special package. So like you see at the extension of .rpm, .deb, they cannot be mixed. The package won't be mixed or combined. So like the other distro with S0, it has the same, won't have the same special package. So we can conclude that repository is a package devoted and provided to install in kinds of Linux distro. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet me again with ID 183. So this is the third task in the fourth assignment, dependency. So dependency in Linux is a dependence of a package within another package or software within another software that give impact to the functionality. So as you can see, a case that package D will run without a problem or will run smoothly if we install the package A, package B, and package C. or even much heavier thought that package D will not run if we didn't install the package A, B, C. And this problem likely to occur in library and artwork. In the library is like usually in Linux developer concentrate developing their own apps. Don't want to make a dependent library. It means that the developer itself don't want or do not want to think enough for the for the dependent library to the others like .deb, .rpm, and other distro. So they just develop, not making not making a same frequency to the other distro, and it will be very annoying if the distributor didn't manage the dependency. So I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, with me again, with me, Koidi 183. So this time I'm gonna tell you about the interface. So the first one is screen fetch. So if you go to the screen fetch, follow me. You see my code. Okay, first, what you should do is wget minus big O screen fetch, and you download the screen fetch first, and this is part of the install online, and click enter. Okay, and it's done, and after you do that, you click the change mode plus X with screen fetch, and after that you click the sudo mpc screen fetch user bin and the screen fetch. Wait for time. Well, this took a little bit longer. Well, that's it. I don't know about this, but there's something problem here. But actually, the one that's getting good is this one. It is the same thing, but I think there's some problem with it. So okay, I think that's all. Okay, now we're going into the wallpaper theme and icon. So for wallpaper, you go to QID or your PC, your system settings. And choose background. Now start to take more than 4. And choose whatever wallpaper you like in it, and maybe I should choose this one. Yeah, I think there's something on that section after this. Alright, so there's something like this. Okay, since background is good, and now we change the theme. System launchpad setting. Okay, so this is just theme from here. You can write Windows theme, GTK plus theme, icon theme, also whatever. You can choose everything in here. Okay, so and after that we change the icon. Okay, so let's go here from here, downloads. We'll go to home, desktop, and if you have another document, you can click it, and properties, and you click this one. Okay, so this is I think you should download first the icon you want to and click open, and it will change. So this is I think this is it for interface. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again at for assignment 4 in front. Okay, so the last which will be the last maybe is user management. So we got 2 tasks here. Let's start with the first. Make username sysub with password 1234 and add it to the group wheel. So let's make a root first. Su the root password, and then let's make a group first. Sudo group wheel. Okay, and then after that we make the user add name sysub sub M if you want to get the home, and the group is wheel, and make the password with it. Okay, so let's just go to sudo sysub passwd sysub, and the old password is, and that's it. Okay, now we'll get it to the second task. Make one more user with my name and with the password nrp or my ID number with system. So user add, sudo user add, and my name, with minor in it, and to change password use like the upper passwd ID 183. Okay, I think that's it. The task in user management. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This will be the last video at for front task, front for assignment. So this is I'm gonna make a date and hour for the at the terminal. So first of all, we're gonna make a new document, insert document like this, and you get for date, display. This I'm done, so you can check and display. So you get bin bash while do date. This the format. This is the date that you want. This is while do, so it will gonna be loop and loop. You guys should exit it, and we save it and exit it, and then you get into your directory and write change math plus x for date. For date is the name of the file. Don't forget the bash unit. Again, click enter, and after you click enter, there will be this run terminal run. So maybe run terminal will do like this, and maybe you can make a run. Well, since the run's gonna do, so I think and next to the second task, in the bonus, first of all, there's the fourth type, right? Like changing a wallpaper and icon, theme, and user. Well, actually there are several Well, first of all, this little scripting, like this is the one is user. So the first one I get to see is the user. So this user is, well, you get the bin bash. Take a look at this. This is how to add user in the simple shell or this window bash. So and after this, I'm going to show you the icon and theme. Uh, I write it in here at the install document. Here, like settings.org to stop. Well, this I got from the internet. But this is the batch that needs to be go, and I think that's all. This is for a bonus. Although it's not full, but things. So I'm gonna go to